Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to cook rutabagas on top of the stove. First, choose firm rutabagas, ideally weighing between 1 and 2 pounds each. Wash them well under cool water to clean the surface. Then, carefully peel the thick outer skin using a sharp vegetable peeler or a sturdy knife. Finally, cut the rutabaga into uniform 1-inch cubes. Once your rutabaga is prepped, place the 1-inch cubes into a large saucepan. Cover them completely with cold water, adding about 1 teaspoon of salt to enhance the flavor. Bring the water to a rolling boil over medium-high heat. Then, reduce the heat to medium-low and let them simmer gently for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are fork tender. Knuckle push-ups intensely engage your triceps, chest, and shoulders, providing a robust upper body workout. They also activate your forearm flexors and extensors, significantly boosting grip strength. To start, consider performing knee-knuckle push-ups to build foundational strength safely. As you get stronger, gradually increase your repetitions and sets. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions initially. Finally, season your mashed rutabaga generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. For an extra layer of flavor, you can stir in a pinch of nutmeg or a tablespoon of fresh chopped parsley. Give it a quick taste and adjust any seasonings as needed. Serve this warm, comforting mashed rutabaga as a delightful and nutritious side dish with your favorite meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.